Today, I'll show you how I make the camera movements in my edits.
Like this.
Using a light motion. Step 1. Place the beat marks.
Could've seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open eyes.
Step 2. Add 3 null objects.
So we can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go.
Parent the clip to the first null, and parent the first null to the second null, and parent the second null to the third null. In the size tool of the first null, add a keyframe to the first and second beat marks. Follow my scale and graph. In the size tool of the second null, add a keyframe to the first and third beat marks. To make the second beat mark in between them, follow my graph and scale.
Hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer, we can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go.
This is just basically putting the beat mark you want to move in between of its previous and next beat mark, and aligning the Z graph to the beat mark you want to move.
'Cause you're in my
But remember to switch nulls every beat mark you want to move to overlap them. This makes the zoom in and out animation smooth like butter. On the last part, just add a zoom in for the outro.
I will carry you home when you got nowhere to go.
Step 3. Add swing and oscillate effects. Follow my settings.
Carry you home.
Step 4. Add shake effects. If you want my shake, the preset link is in the description. Add another null and paste the shake into it. Parent the third null to the null that has the shake. If you want to add more shakes, just duplicate the previous shake null and parent it to the duplicated one, and so on.
I will carry you home. I will carry you home. With you gone nowhere.